Want to stop getting unwanted calls on Facebook Messenger? Here's a simple step-by-step guide to disable calls, either for specific people or completely. First, open your Messenger app on your phone. Option 1. Disable calls for a specific person. If there's someone you don't want to receive calls from, go to their chat. Tap on their name at the top of the chat. Next, scroll down to Notifications and Sounds. Here, you'll see the option to mute calls. Turn this on, and now this person's calls will be disabled. Keep in mind, you'll have to do this for each person individually. Option 2. Disable all calls, temporarily using Do Not Disturb. Go to your profile in Messenger by tapping your profile picture at the top left. Tap on Notifications and Sounds, then enable Do Not Disturb. Here, you can choose how long you want to mute all notifications and calls, like 24 hours or until the next day. This will stop all Messenger calls temporarily. Option 3. Disable Messenger notifications completely. If you want a more permanent solution, you can go to your phone settings. Find Messenger under your app notifications. From here, turn off all notifications. This will prevent any calls or message alerts from appearing. Keep in mind, if you disable notifications, you won't get alerts for messages either. You'll need to open the app to see new messages. So, depending on your needs, you can either mute calls for specific people, use Do Not Disturb, or disable all Messenger notifications. That's it. Now you can enjoy Messenger without unwanted calls.